Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to know about the schedules, sound and vibration, okay, about the settings, additional settings. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been move on it, just click on the search, okay, and here you can search for the schedules, okay. So I search for the schedule. Then on the down will be sound and vibration. So let's move on schedule, sound and vibration. Do not disturb, the third option, okay. Click on the third option. After that, here is the schedules and it says it has been enabled. So I mean disable. If you want to make it enable, just click on this icon, and if you want to select the timing, you can select the timing, okay, from to, see, you can select the timing and repeat. If you want to repeat for the only Sunday, only Monday, only Friday, you can select the days also, okay. Then after that, click on tick. And if you want to select another timing, just click on this plus option, and here it says rule 2. Even you can select the from today to next day, you can select the timings here, okay. And here is the, just if you want to select, just click on tick, okay. This is the schedules, and the first option is the do not disturb, so you can on off. If you activate this do not disturb, it says the your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarms and timers. The status bar will show a moon icon when do not disturb is on, okay. You off, then it will be normal. So on the down it says the allow notifications, so let's move and check it. This is the notification drawer and other notification types. When turned off, system notification will be still display. So it will be still display, see. And here is the status bar. If you want to on, you can on, and if you want to off, you can off. And here is the banners, okay. So if anyone know about the banners, you can give me a comment. If you don't know, you can ask from me, okay, about the banners, okay. Other notification types, and here is the lock screen notification. On the down is the notification band, okay. If you want to on, you can on, and if you want to off, you can off, okay. So here is the allow messages from no one, anyone, contact, share, start contacts only, okay. And here is the allow calls from, this one I have told you, same only with this, okay, these two. But this one is the calls, and this one is the messages, okay. And on the down is the last second is the ring for repeated calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silent. So if you want to activate, just click on this icon, it will be activated. And if you want to off, just click on this icon, it will be off, okay. So on the down is the silence media when do not disturb is on, okay. So from here, if you don't understand anything, you can ask from me, okay. Just type the on the comment. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.